World-famous AI machines. Some of the world-famous AI-enabled machines are as follows. IBM Watson. It is a question-answering machine that combines artificial intelligence, AI, and sophisticated analytical software. It answers the questions posed in natural languages. Companies use it for analyzing the data, predicting future growth prospects, and automating some tedious and complex processes. Google's driverless car. Google launched its Waymo division to design, manufacture, and market driverless vehicles around the world. These cars are AI-enabled cars. Sophia, the humanoid robot. It was designed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics in February 2016 and has made her first public appearance in March 2016 in the USA. The assistant or chatbot, Alexa, Siri, and Google's Home. They are intelligent personal assistants that do jobs based on commands given to them. Honda Asimo. It is a humanoid robot created by Honda in 2020. Boston Dynamics AI Robot. They are four-legged robots designed by Boston Dynamics for commercial applications.